The content marketing strategy behind the magic of Disney. In this video, we are going to explore the strategy behind the magic of the content Disney. The social media channels of Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram allow fans to interact with Disney characters via real-time messaging. On the Disney mobile, they use Twitter and Instagram to communicate with their followers. They use Facebook Live to provide behind-the-scenes content. They use Pinterest to share product images and infographics. Disney uses social media to connect with their guests, build relationships and share information about new products and events. Social media can track guest feedback and gather ideas for future attractions. Disney also uses social media to create content for its own YouTube channel. The company has developed many online communities that allow fans to interact directly with employees. Hear how Disney connects with consumers across multiple platforms. The MyMagic Plus app allows you to connect with friends and family while on vacation. You can access Disney parks through mobile apps. Guests can book their next stay in advance using the Magic Band. The social media channels of Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram allow fans to interact with Disney characters via real-time messaging. On the Disney mobile, how can you sell your product or service if you haven't solved the mystery of how to make people feel? You need to know the answer to this question before selling anything. People will buy something that solves their problems. People want to be happy. They want to have fun. Make them laugh. How can you convince them if you don't know how they'll react? Be honest about your lack of experience and your doubts. Don't be afraid to say that you're not sure you want to do it. Be prepared to talk with them about their goals, motivation, and expectations. The best thing to do is throw out a curveball, surprising them with a brand new experience they haven't seen before. But every entertainment company is trying to give people what they want, and that's the nature of business. How does Disney do it differently? As I said, the answers are simple but profound. They know their audience. They know what the audience wants and how to give it to them. They know their story, and they tell stories that the audience loves. They know how to entertain. Second, how can they make it? The answer to that question is a little more complicated. It's called story storming. Story storming is the creative process by which you identify your story and then create the story. It's a time-tested method that works. It's also something we don't teach very much at Disney. They do this through the talent and technology of studio crafts. The artists and writers are the talents that bring stories and characters to life. Before you know how to tell a delightful story, you need to know how to make the story. Discover how to build a successful content strategy using Disney's examples as inspiration. Identify key topics and themes that will keep readers engaged over time. Keep writing about subjects that matter to you and your audience. The most effective way to increase traffic is through social media platforms. Create blog posts with a clear call to action and use images, videos, infographics, and links to other sites in your posts. What should you be writing about? How do you get people to read it? Which platforms can help you reach your audience? What is your content calendar? Launching interesting marketing campaigns. Content marketing is one of the most effective ways to promote your brand online. It allows you to reach out to your target market without paying for advertising space. If done well, content marketing can generate leads and increase sales. Here's an overview of some common content marketing strategies. Blogging. Social media marketing, SMM, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Video marketing. Email marketing. Guest posting. Content marketing works best for businesses. Why? Because it's cost-effective. You don't need huge budgets or teams of writers to produce engaging content. Instead, you can rely on what you already have, namely staff members who can write and post blog posts, tweets, and other pieces of content. Using nostalgia to establish and maintain customer loyalty. Content marketing is about engaging your audience by telling stories that connect emotionally with them. It's not just about telling people what you want them to know. It's about connecting with them more profound. If you can tell a story that resonates with your audience, they will become invested in your audience. A brand and want to hear from you again.